Hey guys, welcome back. Today we will learn how to create Urban Night preset in Lightroom Mobile. Here are some sample pictures before and after effects. Before moving forward, I want to tell you something. I post tutorials of Lightroom presets every week, so hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to never miss the video. So, let's start editing. First, open the Lightroom and import the photo. Go to the lights. Bring the contrast down to -21. -16 for the highlights. Bring down the shadows to -62. -27 for the whites. And decrease blacks up to -13. Go to the curve and follow the steps shown. Next, go to color. -6 for the temperature. Increase the tint up to 33. And vibrance to 48. For the saturation. Now let's select mix to play with the colors. First, choose red. Hue down to 34. 10 for saturation. And 15 for luminance. Next, go to orange. -40 for hue. Bring saturation to 37. -17 for luminance. Now go to yellow. Hue down to -83. Saturation to 18. Now move to green. -49 for hue. And 12 for luminance. Now move to aqua. -13 for hue. And luminance to -16. Now select blue. Hue down to -39. For saturation. And luminance to 37. Increase hue of purple to 44. (37) for saturation. And luminance to -18. Now move to pink. 64 for hue. (37) for saturation. And 12 for luminance. Done. Let's move to effect. Texture to 12. 8 for clarity. Dehaze increases to 13. Let's move to details. 2 for sharpening. And noise reduction to 40. Color noise reduction to 40. Switch on lens profile correction. Now save the picture. Increase exposure and shadows if the picture looks dark. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. And don't forget to like the video.